Alright, what is going on today? We're going to be doing a video on some content that you guys may have seen a little bit of. The turboed 240 we have at our house right now. My buddy has been coming over every day he possibly can to just kind of work on it a little bit and get it done. And today he's trying to fix his timing to hopefully get it running properly. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, you could spin it. So you want to like fuck with it while I turn her over?
Oh shit. Let me guess, that was a 10 mil.
Yeah, it actually might be.
Yeah, I think it was. That was 11.
Shit. Oh. That sounded a lot better and it's not misfiring on idle.
Yeah, well that was just like all the way the fuck right. Like,
I mean, if it's got to be all the way retarded or advanced or whatever it is,
that'd be advanced.
That would be advanced.
This is one of those super old cars that has like an actual bell for the fucking door.
The door.
Oh, that's so cool.
Dude, that's my favorite thing about.
All of them have the bells. Mine
Yeah.
works.
That's so cool.
My battery.
All the old Nissans have it. It's
Toyota has them too.
Yeah, Toyota has them too.
Yeah, there's if you look up in the dash, you can actually see the bell. It's not like a full bell, but it's just like the style mechanism hitting a piece of metal.
You know what I also like?
Fix your wire.
90s
Think
Chevrolet.
she's ready to drive?
Signal clicks.
I think she might be if it idles good and doesn't misfire on idle and shit. It has no tune, that's why it runs like piss.
But the check engine light's flashing fast on 3, 4, 5, and then slow on 1 and 2. So whatever that means for whatever ECU.
Probably bitching about the MAF, I guess.
It's more than likely bitching about the MAV and the air fuel ratio because of you not having a fucking tune on a Niz tune.
Getting rid of that fucking exhaust ASAP. What exhaust? Yeah,
It's just the fucking hood dump. There is no exhaust. What the fuck? It's just there.
Still sounds better than a G35.
Oh, those are fighting words.
Are you gonna drive her?
I was thinking about sending one.
No, you should drive it up and down the road real quick just to get a feel for it.
Get a feel for it. This thing sounds like he's about to put a hole through the block.
Nah, she'll be fine.
Take it up and down the road.
Just gently, you know,
Firmly grasp it.
4,000 in first year. Maybe a clutch kick to turn around. Who knows, man? It's a crazy
All
world.
the spark plugs I just bought.
Fuck it. Let's go. Let's do it. Look at these fucking nerds. Look at these fucking
Just waiting for this shit to
nerds.
blow up.
Look at these nerds.
Angle's bouncy.
It's a little bouncy, but fuck it. Let's.
Wheels rubbing harder than a bitch.
We bottomed out. You need to push us back. Alright, they're gonna have to push us back because we bottomed out.
Forward?
Pull forward.
All my suspension stuff?
This is you rubbing.
Just a quick send?
If you're gonna send out, we're gonna get out and get this burnout. But Reed says to drive it first before doing a burnout. Here,
I mean, I just don't see how we're gonna fucking turn around, dude.
just back up into somebody's driveway, you know? No, go straight.
Go straight.
Yeah, go straight, then we'll turn around up there. We'll just kind of like... How's it feel?
Feels damn good, but it don't feel right.
Alright. Now we'll turn around in this driveway.
We don't bottom out on this dude's
Well,
driveway.
we just don't. keep driving this thing? Because it's not.
Oh, it's a lot of new magnets.
You're rubbing so hard, dude. Alright, stop it.
You're rubbing a little bit there, bud.
I smell smoke. I haven't burnt rubber yet.
It's on the. You're rubbing your wheel.
How about?
It runs. It runs all right. What? Well, it's been sitting for how long? You probably need to bleed them, dude.
Year and a half.
Your calipers are so rusty. I wouldn't expect this thing to stop for like.
I'm gonna just clutch dump it and deploy the brakes.
I don't know about all that.
But you try it, bud. His brakes don't work.
Have you seen those calipers?
I know, he's gonna have to get new ones. Let him rub in the fucking. You're burning out the front! That works. You need to do something about your front wheels, dude. You're rubbing. Bad.
I took the spacers off.
Tear your fenders
It's not
off.
even touching.
It was small.
Bud, you were in the car. We were watching
this
you.
One is. This one is.
No, that one is. That one was.
That was the
literally
one that
like
was
throwing
smoking.
more smoke than
Yeah.
the rear end.
At least I burnt some rubber. I gotta get out of here.
All right, dog.
Have fun, bud.
Yeah, I still got work.
Later, dude. All right, so after Rodolfo left, we're now trying to clean the house.
Told you filming us cleaning would be a good idea.
Yo, dude,
Well-
go get a shot of the front yard. We got car meat in our front yard, dude.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this car meet we got going on. So I haven't been filming because we're just cleaning the house. I don't think anybody would want to see that. But yeah, got all the cars organized. Those two are running. Now we got to get the CRX out of here because nobody wants it. But I'm tired of having it sitting right here. Oh yeah, Regis. This is all a great idea.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit!
You guys gotta balance it. So now pull both of you lift further off to your left. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3.
Lift up! Come on! Lift up!
Was.
Lift up! Oh! My back. Right, ready? Go! We got it!
6 foot, 7 foot.
Yeah. Red fish, blue fish.
Ready?
1,
2.
2, 3.
Come on, lift up, pussy!
1.
Hold on.
We're just gonna have to take it inches at a time, so you guys don't kill yourself. Go ask my grandpa if he has a dolly. If we put a dolly up front, we're good.
What the fuck were you guys trying?
Nothing.
Clearly nothing.
Don't ask questions you don't want the answer to.
Oh my god.
It worked for a second.
It really did. We got like 2.5 inches. we
Did it
were
break?
just starting to make
break.
the
Oh!
because it was working and then it went fuck.
Yeah, I know, it started to move, and then you just hear it all fold. And just
I see that it's all.
just shit itself.
Yeah, it's
pretty
just
much.
broken right there. That's funny.
1, 2, 3. Watch fingers, watch fingers.
Are you ready, Dakota?
Yeah.
2, 3. Okay, now move on.
Woo! Yeah, move all that shit in there.
Hey, don't fucking rush me, alright?
Hey, hurry up. Rushing. I'm rushing you. Let's go.
You're lucky
Oh,
this
hey,
says
get
nails.
away. Yeah, go away.
Oh, correction, you're supposed to keep the car straight. Where's these wheels?
I can't believe this is working.
I can't either. Don't fucking question it.
More weight on this side, bud. More weight on this side. Alright, CRX is over here. Oh my god. We have one of the most white trash house in the neighborhood. It's awesome. Anyways, free CRX if anybody wants it. Yeah, I don't know, use it for scrap. Take off the fucking parts. We have more parts in the backyard, like the suspension and a bunch of other stuff. So if you need CRX stuff, we have it. Just come get it. It'll either be free or super cheap. So yeah, parts wise, the car's free. Just take the car. Just somebody do something with it. While Reed finishes up and puts everything away, I'm gonna kind of step out from the sun. It's kind of oh, there we go. Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. Boom. Both cars right in the driveway now. The CRX is finally gone. Well, it's just over there. But yeah, Reed's putting stuff away now. Pretty stoked about this, man. But anyways,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I haven't gotten to that part yet. Alright. Reed already did it for me. But yeah, I'm out of here. Probably not much else going on. I mean, there's not a whole lot of daylight left. I'll see you guys all later. I got some videos coming up. I think I'm going to do some reaction videos. I am actually going to do some reaction videos here soon. I have a couple ideas. I'm always looking for more ideas, just because I'm not always doing the video shoot stuff, the cinematic stuff that I like to do, and I'm not always vlogging because I don't do a whole lot. So yeah, I'm working on some other ideas. I'll see you guys all in the next video, and have a great rest of the day. Okay, bye.